What's going on, guys? It is Royalty Crypto here, and today we are going to take a look at the meme coin dog with hat. It is personally one of my favorite plays in the crypto market right now, and the reasons for that is it is a relatively small market cap, as you can see, slightly under $1 billion. It has steady, very, very high volume every single day. As you can see, sitting at $233 million in trading volume for the last 24 hours. And basically every day we're at around at least that, which is good to see. We also have 100% of the tokens in circulation, which is very important. So you know that this coin is not dealing with any like inflation factors. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here. So right now we are sitting slightly under $1 for this coin. Its all-time high was around $4 and let's see, $4.60. I definitely think that we could get back up to that level at least, especially if meme coins get hot again. And I do expect meme coins to start to pick up quite a bit in the next month or so. Yeah, so I could definitely see Dog with Hat getting really anywhere between $4 to about $15 at the higher end. And all of that really just depends on how high Sol gets, how high Ethereum can get, and basically the same with Bitcoin as well. So let's also go ahead and take a look at the Fear and Greed Index here. Right now we are sitting at 51, which is basically right in the middle. It basically shows that nobody is too fearful right now and nobody is too greedy right now, which is a good sign. It's also basically means it's a good time to buy. If you already have a large bag of meme coins like I do, I would recommend that you just continue to hold. But if you're looking to get some exposure in this market, now would be probably your last chance to buy. With that being said, over the next couple of months, I do recommend that you guys watch this Fear and Greed Index very closely. Once we get to the greed levels, and especially the extreme greed levels, I do recommend that you create a plan of how you are going to sell your assets. I definitely don't think holding a coin like Dog with Hat for longer than 6 to 12 months is a good idea. In the meme coin market, you really see these trends with these coins come in and out very quickly, and it's very hard to tell if a coin like this will be relevant in 1 to 2 years. So this is really just a play for the next 3 to 6 months whenever the market ends up getting super hot. Just going back to my personal plan of how I plan on selling this coin. Once we get above 60 on the Fear of Greed Index, we will officially be back into greed, and I am planning to sell about 1% of my holdings per week, so nothing too crazy. However, once we get up to the extreme greed levels, which is 80 or higher on the scale, I plan on selling about 25% of my holdings per week. And obviously, if we hit extreme greed for about like 2 to 3 weeks, and then we dip back down into greed, I'll probably just sell the remainder of my portfolio. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I definitely think that Dog with Hat has quite a bit of potential. Don't expect anything too crazy. Like, definitely don't expect this thing to go to $100 or anything like that. You have to be reasonable. But yeah, just make sure you have a plan in place for when you plan on selling, and do not get too greedy. If this thing runs to like $3 to $4, you definitely should not be buying at those levels. But all right, guys. Well, I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a good rest of your day.